Hello, welcome to day 4 of the 2022 Lego Advent Calendar reveal and build, and we are doing this year the Guardians of the Galaxy, which is this one here, if you can see that. Comes with 24 builds, as you would expect, being a 24-day Advent calendar. 268 pieces in total, and the set number is 76231. Today is day 4, which is this one here. Let's get into it. I'll bring this closer. Okay, looks like we have a utility stand of some sort. I'll move that back. So up here, a utility stand by the looks of it. Maybe 7 or 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not that you could see that. 1, which is the bulk of the stand. 2, 3. Then we have through there 4, 5. The arm that clicks on, 6. Looks like we've got 2 arms, so I'll put that one. 7. And I'm gonna have to do this again. All right, excuse that phone call. We got up to this 7 pieces, the 2 arms on the utility stand, and then the final piece is the dynamite stick. And that will go on there, hold that there. I'm actually going to close it off, and so it has both arms holding it. There we have it. And that is the day 4 build, the utility stand. Thanks for joining me, and tomorrow is Monday, day 5. Bye for now.